before I go, I might as well put the oil cooler pipes in. You can't see that, but that's easy, isn't it? Back again. Will this madness never end? I thought I'd put the pipes on the oil cooler on the radiator. There they are, look. Now, I have these little special nuts here. One of them's been die grinded out a little bit so it cleaned the thread up. And the same with that one, same idea as I did the bolt, just put a flat on it, because the chances of getting a die nut that big is impossible. So these fit together, right? No problem at all. Lovely. And this fits in this pipe here. No problems at all. Except this is the fitting for the radiator. And it don't fit. It's a different thread. Now what am I going to do? See, that's my compressor starting. I made this little device here for my oil cooler, you know, like so I can start an engine without having the radiator in. I don't really want to sacrifice that because I don't know where I'm going to get bits off. I took that out of an old scrap radiator. So now these would be no, wait a minute. These would be 300 TDI type radiator fittings. What the hell these are, I don't know. Yeah, it's a coarser thread with a pipe thread on this end. I'll have a look through my bits and see where I can find. Well, I wouldn't believe it. I actually had two in my box of hydraulic fittings. There's the pipe. Screw straight on, no problem at all. Man, what's the chances of finding that in Quebec, in Canada? Well, you can't buy them separately, I don't think. I don't think they're sold separately. So you have to get them off an old scrap radiator. So it just shows you don't throw anything out. Like let me get these fitted and we should be alright, I hope.